Home remedies to treat gingivitis. Cosmetic clay. In a bowl, mix 1/4 cup of cosmetic clay with some baking soda. Add a few drops of tea tree oil, 1½ cups of vegetable glycerin, 1/8 cup of powdered sea salt and a few drops of myrrh solution to it. Store it in a cool and dry place and use it as toothpaste. Sea salt solution. Dissolve about half a teaspoon of sea salt in 1 cup of warm water. Drink, but do not swallow the solution, and swish it for half a second and then spit it out. Do this several times in a day, especially after meals. Honey. After brushing your teeth in the morning, rub some honey on the infected gums. Tea bag compress. After steeping a tea bag in water for a few minutes, do not throw away the bag. Let it cool down and then place it on the infected area for 5 to 6 minutes. Cranberry juice. Drink 4 glasses of unsweetened cranberry juice every day. This will keep the bacteria away from your teeth. Sesame and coconut oil. To cut loss of blood due to bleeding gums, simply massage the gums with sesame or coconut oil before brushing your teeth. Do this twice a day. Rubbing gums. Using your fingertips, rub your gums every morning before brushing your teeth. This motion helps circulate blood in the gums. Thus, prevents any form of oral disease. Mustard oil. Mix a pinch of salt in 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, and apply it on the gums in circular motions. Keep doing this for 3 to 4 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. Do this 2 times in a day until the swelling reduces. Cayenne powder. Sprinkle a bit of cayenne powder on your toothpaste every time you brush. This will help prevent periodontal disease and will also kill all the microorganisms in the mouth. Fiber-rich foods. Eat lots of whole grain, fruits and green vegetables which are rich in fiber. Not only does it improve your immunity, but also helps fight bacteria in the mouth. Hydrogen peroxide. Mix equal portions of drinking water and hydrogen peroxide. Swish it in your mouth but do not drink it. Repeat 4 to 5 times in a week. Alum. Dissolve alum powder in 1 glass of drinking water. Use this water to rinse your mouth at least 3 times in a day. This effectively reduces the swelling of the gums.